Severe rains and flash floods have swept across several Mexican states, leaving dozens dead and many more missing. Officials report that thousands of homes have been destroyed and entire communities are displaced. Rescue teams continue to search for survivors amid damaged roads and power shortages. The government has declared a state of emergency in the hardest hit areas, warning that the further rainfall could worsen the situation as relief agencies rush to provide food and shelter.